Hey, Trip Crosby here with my good friend Emilite Ez. She is a product strategy technologist. Did I say that right?
Yes, you did.
Oh, because I was trying to say it wrong.
Nope, you got it
I
right.
got it right?
First time.
It's the first time I've ever gotten someone's name right, ever. Anyway, there's a lot happening right now. The energy is thick at VeeamON 2023. What have you seen today?
Oh my gosh, so much. We had the partner day today. They're wrapping up all of the training for VMCE, VMCA. That's been going on all day. Lab wars. We already had some real big high scores. But on top of that, we had the therapy dogs that were just walking around alongside our robotic dog, which I thought was pretty
wondered
cool.
why I felt so clear-headed and calm today.
Yeah,
It was the dogs.
it was the dogs.
The real dogs and the robot dogs.
Yeah, they
There were
formed
dogs
a pack.
everywhere. But the thing is, as good as things are going right now, as much energy as there is in this place, tomorrow's the big day.
It
Tomorrow, a lot is happening. You want to tease some of it for us?
Absolutely. Yeah, tomorrow is the day of futures, so I'm super excited about it. I'm part of the keynote session that's happening tomorrow, and the biggest thing is we're doing live demos on stage of future product. So we're not doing what's currently out and released, we're showing what's coming next for Veeam, and I'm super excited. You guys don't want to miss it. Definitely
You don't
check
want
it
to miss
out.
it, and there's really no reason to, because no matter where you are in this solar system, as long as you can make a way to VeeamON.com, you can register, and you can take part in every bit of it. And it's free. So register, see these keynotes, get a sneak peek into the future of what Veeam has to offer, and we hope to see you there.